Another great benefit of chat in Microsoft Teams is the ability to quickly switch from a text conversation to an audio or video call right within your chat window. To do this while in a chat, select either video call or audio call from the chat window of the person that you want to call. From this call, you can also share your screen by selecting the screen sharing button. So while you may start your conversation with a short text message, if needed, you can quickly move to a video call with screen sharing right within the Teams chat. So Lexi just sent me a message. How do I turn off notifications for channel in Teams? I know this question is going to be easier to answer by demonstrating rather than trying to type out an explanation. So I'll call Lexi. Hey, Lexi.
Hi, Brian.
I saw your question. I'm just going to quick demonstrate rather than trying to explain in chat.
Okay, awesome.
So I'm going to select Share Screen and choose which screen to share with Lexi. Now Lexi can see my screen. I can demonstrate what to do next. So Lexi, first you go to Teams, and then pick the channel that you want to change notifications for. Select the three dots, and then go to Channel Notifications, and then choose your preferred option.
All right, looks pretty easy.
All right. Talk to you later.
Yep, thanks. Bye.
Bye. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.